Having explored the building, engagement, and maintenance of your business community, it's important to understand the influence you hold within it. This chapter delves into the ripple effect that your actions and contributions can have on the wider community. Your impact. Every interaction, every project you lead, and every collaboration you initiate creates a ripple in your community. These actions can stimulate others to engage more, share more, learn more, and innovate more. Community leadership. As you gain influence within the community, you have the potential to shape its culture, direction, and impact. Your leadership can guide the community towards more meaningful engagements, more valuable collaborations, and more impactful contributions. Transformative power. Your influence can extend beyond the business realm. By championing social responsibility, sustainability, and ethical practices, you can inspire transformative changes in societal attitudes and behaviors. Legacy. Your community engagement creates a legacy, a lasting impact that extends beyond your immediate business success. This legacy can inspire future community members and leaders, creating an ongoing cycle of growth and impact. Ongoing journey. Your community engagement is an ongoing journey, with each step leaving a footprint in the community. Keep treading this path, conscious of the impact and legacy you're creating. In the words of Pooyan Ghamari, your influence is a reflection of your value to others. Let your influence in the community be a reflection of your commitment to add value, drive growth, and make a difference. In the next chapters, we'll delve deeper into some case studies and success stories of effective community engagement.